How to see photo details on your iPhone 14s. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see photo details on your iPhone 14. So this will work for any iPhone 14 such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Plus. Now even if you don't have an iPhone, this will still work for all the older iPhones such as the iPhone 11, 12, 13, etc. So without wasting any time, let us get started. So let's say you open photos and then want to view the detail of this photo right over here. Now if you go to this eye icon, you can only see limited information such as this right over here, but if you want to view more information, what you'll have to do is simply tap on this share icon right over here. Now scroll down and then tap on the option save to files. After that, it will take you to this page where you can either create a new folder or simply add the photo to an existing folder. So simply tap on the option save. Now if you already have the photo over there, you'll be asked to replace, so I'll simply replace the photo over there. Now simply go through your phone and then find the files app, but if you don't find it, simply swipe up or swipe down, Now once you've done that, type in files and then open the files app. After that, go to the place where you saved your photo. This is the photo right over here. So in order to view details, what you'll have to do is simply long press on this photo and then a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the option get info. And now you can see the information over here such as the kind, size, created, modified, last opened, where, dimensions, resolution, color profile, device make, device model, lens model, aperture value, exposure time, exposure program, ISO speed, flash, red eye, f number, metering mode, white balance, content creator, etc. So this is the place where you find all the details of the photo on your iPhone 14. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.